Hi, the annual flower show at Lalbagh is back in this August on behalf of Independence Day. Every flower show will have different theme which happens at the glass house of Lalbagh. This year, the horticultural department has come up to showcase the heritage and glory of the Ganga dynasty. We can find the Chaundaraya Basadi, the Beguru inscription or the Bengaluru inscription, Ganga dynasty's emblem, kings like Durvinita, Niti Marga, Shivamara first, Rachamalla the first and second, Bhutaga, Marasimha, and the fourth Rachamalla's statue. They have been decorated with flowers. Even the Beguru Nageshwara temple has been recreated using different types of flowers. The flower pyramid has the Ganga dynasty's inscription, coins, and the emblems. Let us celebrate the heritage, pride, and the glory of great Ganga dynasty which ruled Karnataka. Please note the dates. It's from 6th August to 17th August 2026.